Queen's Indian defense, Fianchetto, Nimzowitsch variation, quiet, check variation, Intermezzo line, 7.bg2c68.00. Sharp a back and forth game where both players had chances. That game was pretty competitive. Both players had an amazing opening. Both players navigated the middle game well. Both players had a nice end game. Opening with the queen's pawn. The Indian game begins by controlling the important e4 square with the knight, rather than a pawn. By taking control of the crucial d5 square and creating a space on which the knight can move to c3 without obstructing the c-pawn, move c4 helps to create a strong center. The move e6 creates a line for the dark squared bishop, sets up a rapid castle, and prepares to push a pawn to d5 and recover the piece if it is taken. Nf3 develops toward the center, putting pressure on the e5 square and adding another defender to the d4 pawn. The light squared bishop is getting ready to be fianchetto by the queen's Indian defense on b7, where it will affect the long diagonal. The light squared bishop is getting ready to be fianchetto on g2, where it will be positioned on the long diagonal. ba6 immediately attacks the undefended c4 pawn, hoping to provoke b2-b3. b3 protects the c4 pawn and prepares to fianchetto the dark squared bishop to b2, where it will sit on the long diagonal. bb4 plus develops the bishop and puts the white king in check. bd2 develops the bishop, blocks the check and offers an exchange of dark squared bishops. b7 retreats the dark squared bishop after achieving the goal of misplacing white's dark squared bishop on d2, which would much prefer to be b2. Fianchetto move bg2 places the bishop on the long diagonal. The d5 pawn drive is prepared by c6, which also controls the d5 and b5 squares. Castling gets the king out of the center and activates the rook. Castling gets the king to a safer square, out of the center of the board, while also developing a rook. Castling to the same side of the board as the opponent avoids some of the attacking associated with opposite side castling. While not a mistake, that is also not the wisest course of action. That's good. This uses a pawn to attack the center while vying for position. It is ideal. The pawn is now adequately defended. By doing this, a knight moves out of its beginning square and into the action. This activates a rook by developing it off of its starting square. This connects the rooks, which helps them coordinate together in the future. Games Master. It is the final book action. This allows the knight to control more squares. This is the only good move. It is a great move. Now that the rooks can see one another, they can defend one another. It is quite good. The rooks are linked by this, making it easier for them to work together in the future. That's good. This poses a threat to strike a knight. It is ideal. This keeps the material balance in check with good commerce. It is quite good. This exchange is fair. It is ideal. It is a fair deal after all captures. It is ideal. Backs off. It is ideal. The game was almost evenly matched, but black is now worse. It is incorrect. This misses a chance to improve a bishop's square and broaden its range. It is incorrect. Although the score was nearly equal, white now has the upper hand. It is incorrect. This is the only move that works. This threatens to play checkmate. It is a great move. This prevents an assault on a pawn that may have been taken. It is ideal. This enables the adversary to capture an outpost using a bishop. It is incorrect. This exchange is fair. It is quite good. Recaptures. This poses a fork piece threat. It is ideal. It is a fair deal after all captures. It is quite good. Backs off. It is ideal. The knight becomes more active as a result, gaining control over more of the board. It is ideal. This ignores an opportunity to double rooks on a single file. This allows the opponent to counter-attack an opposing rook. It is an inaccuracy. This overlooks an opportunity to counter-attack an opposing rook. It is an inaccuracy. As a result, the rooks are placed in a single file and are able to cooperate to pose a danger. It is ideal. This competes for the open file with the opposing rook. That's good. This threatens to pin a knight to the king. There was only one good move there. This ignores an opportunity to offer an equal trade of pieces. It is a mistake. This keeps the material balance in check with good commerce. It is ideal. Backs off. It is quite good. This strikes the rival queen. It is ideal. This provides an equal exchange of parts. It is quite good. This protects the queen that was attacked. It is ideal. This misses the chance to provide an equitable exchange of pieces. It is incorrect. There was only one move that was effective, and this wasn't it? It is incorrect. This provides an equal exchange of parts. It is ideal. This gains time by putting a queen in danger and getting it to flee. That's good. This keeps the material balance in check with good commerce. It is ideal. Recaptures. It is ideal. This wins time by threatening a knight and forcing it to move away. This is the only good move. It is a great move. This shields the knight who was attacked. It is ideal. This poses a threat to an outpost manned by a knight. It is incorrect. The game was almost evenly matched, but black is now worse. It is incorrect. Although white lost their edge, the game is still almost evenly matched. It is incorrect. This misses a chance to apprehend a knight who was posing a threat to gain territory. It is incorrect. This disregards an improved method of getting a rook to safety. It is incorrect. After all captures, this is an equal trade. This is the only move that works. It is a great move. Backs off. White is equal at this point in the endgame. It is ideal. Perfectly on point. It is ideal. The rook is now on an open file, which helps control squares across the board. It is quite good. As a result, the bishop may now control more squares because it is in a better position. It is ideal. Very precise. It is best. This shifts the bishop to a square with more activity, giving it greater scope. It is ideal. By moving it from the back rank, this activates the king in the endgame. It is ideal. The best choice is this one. It is ideal. The pawn is now on a square that is safer. It is ideal. That pawn was available for free. It is ideal. Although the score was nearly equal, black now holds the upper hand. It is incorrect. This fails to take use of the chance to improve a bishop's square and broaden its range. It falls flat. This is not the best approach. It is incorrect. This shifts the bishop to a square with more activity, giving it greater scope. That's good. It's all right. That's good. The pawn is now in a safe position. It is ideal. This poses a checkmate threat. It is ideal. This deters an assault on a pawn that is weak. That's good. This maintains the balance in material with a good trade. This is the only good move. It is best. Recaptures. It is ideal. This takes an open file, a common method for activating a rook. It is good. Sharp a back and forth game where both players had chances. That game was pretty competitive. Both players had an amazing opening. Both players navigated the middle game well. Both players had a nice endgame.